Hello my beautiful beauty gallery vendors, welcome back to another awesome tutorial. Now in the previous tutorial I taught us how to create a course and then upload the course video. Now in this tutorial, for purpose of knowledge and direction to our student, I'm going to show us how students can enroll for your course, right? So right now I'm not logged in yet. I've logged out as a vendor. Now I need to log in as a student, right? As a student, I'll browse for the course, right? So that's what I'm going to do here. As a student, I'm going to browse for the course. So I'm on the platform now as a student, right? I'm on the platform now as a student. So what I need to do, I'm checking for a course that I want to learn, and I just saw the course now, which is foundation, or any one of them, but I'm going to use this that I just uploaded now for purpose of this training. Okay, so I'm going to use this for this training now. I click. As a student, I'm in love with this course, and I open it and it says foundation application. Wow, I'm interested, right? I'm interested in this course. So what do I do to do? I enroll. Now because this is free, there might not be any payment, but because if it was not free, then the student will make payment, right? Now I will click here. Now it will bring me to this page as a student, right? So I'll now log in. Right? Now as you can see, it's saying enroll. So I'll simply enroll for this course. My name is there. My email address is there. It's free, right? It's free actually, even though it's saying paid to Paystack. But let me see. As you can see, it captured my name automatically. It captured my email address automatically, so I don't need to enter my name and email. Now coming to payment, I click on this. It's directing me to pay, right? So what we simply do is you cancel this because we're not making any payment here. Okay, now you see, because it's free, it has allowed me to progress. Now if it was not free, I must make payment, but because it's free, it's that page you saw simply means that the platform insists on payment, right? But we have not activated we're still using the test line now until May 1st, when we'll activate the payment platform. Everything has been set, but we're using the test keys. But by 1st May, we'll change from test keys to live keys. So everything right now is for demonstration purpose. So the screen you saw there simply means that there's no value there. But on clicking back, the system will see this. So now I've enrolled to do this course, right? As you can see. So all I simply need to do is go to the course by clicking this. Okay, so the student haven't enrolled, you, the vendor, will need to approve the registration. Now why this is important is this. Students can tell you they've enrolled, but you have not seen payment. So you need to be sure the payment has been made, verified in your account, before you approve the student to proceed and start learning the course, right? So now we'll go back to the vendor page and approve this enrollment so that the student can start learning. Okay, so I've logged in as vendor. Then I'll go to my academy. Okay, now I see this student here. Then I click on student, pending. Now I will verify the payment, and once I verify payment and I see that the student has actually paid, then I now change the status. So as you can see, it's showing that payment has been settled. I come here, say pending, not paid, no, not pending, not paid out, so settled, payout, right? So I've enabled the student on both sides, right? This is important because if we allow the system to just approve the student without you, the vendor, verifying, you may end up, once they know that this is a loophole, they will assume they've registered, and you think they've registered, and they will learn your course without you knowing. So it's important you manually approve it from your end after you verified the payment received, right? So that way you are sure that your money is coming in. So now we'll go back to the student screen and see how the student can now log in, right? So my courses. Now click on my courses. Now you can see this is the new course I just enrolled now, right? This is the new course I just enrolled now. So I'll click on it and then I'll start learning, right? Okay, let me click on play. Okay, so this is basically how the students can watch your course, and then once this navigational button, this progress bar will not move until they are finished watching this video. If they mistakenly, even if they pause it down here, the system will not move. The system will have to wait until they've completely watched this video. This is 3 minutes 55 seconds. So once they finish watching it, that is when this progress bar will move from 0 to 1 to show that yes, the student has completed this, right? And after which, if there's no other video, then the system will be prompted to write an exam. So in the next video, I'm going to show us how to create a question as a vendor, and then we'll come back here and then allow the video to play to complete, and then we'll answer the questions, right, and see how it goes. I'll show us how to set questions, and then I also log in as a student and answer the questions as a student and see how the students can either fail and pass and then move forward. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.